Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a graph of distance upon time, right? Now following the chart shows the distance traveled by Lily in 10 hours and we have to find the highest average speed during an hour. Now we know that in case of a distance time graph, the slope of the distance time graph shows us the velocity, or rather you can say in this case speed. So when she travels the highest amount of distance in least amount of time, or in a or suppose we are calculating the time in a specific interval, that is 1 second. So we have to find that interval of 1 second where she travels the highest amount of distance. So upon careful observation of the graph, we can see that from time equals 7 hours to time equals 8 hours, she travels a total distance of 65. So she travels from 65 kilometers. Sorry, she travels from 70 kilometers to 100 kilometers. So the total distance traveled by her in 1 hour is equals 30 kilometer. So let's write the formula. So average speed equals distance covered upon time taken. So in we have to find the maximum value of the average speed, and for that we have to find the maximum value of distance covered. Now maximum distance covered is between the interval t equals 7 hours to t equals 8 hours, where t represents time, and the range of distance covered is from 70 to 100. So 100 minus 70, which is equals 30 kilometers. So in 1 hour she covered 30 kilometers of distance. Therefore average speed will be equals 30 upon 1, which will be equals 30 kilometer per hour. Therefore upon careful observation we will see that option A will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.